Hi, this video to show you how to manage the simple way for the inventory. So when you are in the back office and you go to product, you have two buttons that you can use, and that is in inventory. Here you have the current inventory and taking inventory, and you have adjustment also. So I could say that currently you should begin with the current inventory. So it will show you what is the current inventory with all the on hand that you have here in the system. So you have probably to adjust this. How you should do that, and you should say here, for example, that you want to export that table to Excel, and let us say that it's 12 and it's product list with inventory. I say register. I can open that document, and that is an Excel document that you can see here, and you are able to adapt that Excel spreadsheet, and you can say what is your current inventory, the minimum that you want, the maximum, the selling price, the cost that you have. The average cost is not really necessary. You have the short description, and then you have the group ID. So that comes from what is existing currently. There is no supplier defined currently in the product. And so once you have adapt with the on hand, so the real inventory that you have currently, then you can go back to the system, and you will say taking inventory. And then here I can say that I want to open my Excel file. So I will use the Excel file that we just took here. So I will select this one. I will say validate. And then I will say that the headline is 1 and the data starts at line 2. I say apply. And then I can say here that the product number is in my Excel spreadsheet. Here it's a product number. The short description in the Excel is short description. The long description is long description. And then you have the quantity, so that is on hand. And then you have the cost. So you have to link what is in our product file and what is in the Excel spreadsheet. So that is because I say here the header line is 1, so that is the header line. And then in the selling price, I can say that it's sell price. The product group is the group UID. You can also create your own Excel spreadsheet, but with all this information that we need to import. Supplier, it will be the UID supplier. Then you have the minimum quantity. You have the maximum quantity. And finally, you have the tax code, group tax here. I say now prepare for integration. You let it work a little bit, so he will show what he will do here. So now I can say import, and you see the progress, so that everything is imported to the system. Of course, here he will not do that much because I didn't change the quantity. What you have to verify in the parameters is that the product and services here, adjustment type, that initial inventory and taking inventory exist, but you can here add stolen, broken, whatever you want, and you can say when you use that type of adjustment, should it subtract to the quantity or add to the quantity. So what you also can do is then in the product is making an adjustment. When you are in life, in real life, in the day-to-day, you can say, okay, I have something that is broken. You can say that you are looking for a product group. Let us say that we are looking for preschool, and you are looking for this one. So here I don't have, so I will say all, supplier all, so I have all my product. I could say that my adjustment type is stolen, and I can say add this one, and then after I can say next, and here I can say that my on hand is so it's subtract. I say next. Oh, it's not this one. Okay, it's adjust. I can see I wanted to adjust by 500, so it will become 94. I say next. I can give a reason. I have to give a reason, and then I can say finish. So that is what I can do with the system to manage my inventory in the simple way. There is another way where you can make all you see with the full. You can make orders, you can follow up the deliveries, you can send the order to the supplier, you can have the back orders and everything. So if you wanted to go to that detail of inventory, we will have another video to explain you how to manage that full inventory management.